Today, we will do a 10-minute guided meditation to connect with your higher self. And this one is different than other meditations because it's very intense and profound. It works even if you have never meditated before and can lead to a deep spiritual awakening. And when I say spiritual awakening, I am talking about a shift in consciousness that allows you to live with more awareness, clarity, purpose, prosperity, and deep inner peace. It involves tuning into the energy and vibrations around you and finding your place in the universe. Many seekers spend years trying to have just a glimpse of what you will experience in minutes. But here's the catch. This practice is forbidden and hidden from 99% of people because they are not ready for it, and it could harm them. Are you ready? If so, stay until the end to know how to practice it correctly and get the most out of it. This meditation is not for everyone. Only those who are spiritually awake and ready for transformation can benefit from it. To begin, sit or lie down in a quiet place, away from distractions. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in and out. As you inhale, imagine drawing in brilliant white light that fills your entire body. As you exhale, let go of any tension, worry, or stress. Repeat this a few times until you feel completely relaxed. Now, visualize yourself entering a long white tunnel. You walk towards the light at the end, which grows brighter and brighter. Don't be afraid. This is a safe and positive experience. The tunnel represents the path to self-discovery, and the light symbolizes your higher self. As you approach the light, it envelops you in a warm embrace. You feel unconditional love, acceptance, and unity with everything. There is no separation between you and the light. You realize that you are one with the source of all creation. You are divine. You find yourself in a beautiful place that you recognize as part of you. It could be a forest, a beach, a mountain, or any place that makes you feel at peace. This place represents your true nature, your essence, your highest potential, and your creativity. It is where you came from before you were born, and where you will return when you leave this physical form. In this place, you are free from limitations and restrictions. You can access your intuition and wisdom without judgment or fear. You can express your gifts and talents fully without hesitation or doubt. You can manifest your desires effortlessly without struggle or sacrifice. You can heal your wounds and scars, release your traumas and patterns, forgive yourself and others, reconnect with your soul contract and life purpose. You see that there is no need to compete or compare with others, because you know that you are unique and valuable beyond measure. You understand that everyone is connected and that we are all one. You know that everything happens for a reason and that there is no such thing as coincidence. You trust that everything will work out for the highest good of all involved. You feel that you can do anything you set your mind to because you know that you have unlimited potential and resources. You believe that you can make a difference in the world because you know that you have a special mission to fulfill. You know that you are capable of achieving your goals and dreams because you know that you have a clear path and guidance. At this point, your higher self may choose to reveal some insights, guidance, or healing to you based on your needs and intentions. For example, your higher self may remind you of your life purpose, give you advice on a current situation, show you how to overcome a challenge, help you connect with your soul, guide you to a new level of growth, or activate a dormant ability within you. This is the time to listen to your intuition, to to receive the download, to surrender to the flow, to have faith in the journey. Your higher self speaks in pictures, feelings, and symbols, not words. So pay attention to what comes up in your mind, heart, and body. It might be a song, a color, a shape, a scent, a taste, an emotion, a memory, a dream, a knowing. When you feel that enough time has passed, it's time to come back to the present moment. Take a deep breath in and out and wiggle your fingers and toes. Slowly open your eyes and notice how you feel. You might feel refreshed, energized, centered, calm, happy, inspired, creative, or any combination of these. It is important to note that this meditation is not a passive exercise. It requires active participation, intention setting, and visualization. It is also not a one-time event. It is a practice that should be done regularly to maintain and deepen your connection with your higher self. The more you practice, the easier it becomes. The more you do it, the better you get at it. The more you use it, the more you benefit from it. To get the most out of this meditation, follow these guidelines. First, find a quiet place where you will not be disturbed. Choose a time when you have at least 10 minutes to spare. Set an intention for what you want to achieve with this practice. Do it daily or as often as possible. Visualize yourself successfully connecting with your higher self. Trust the process and enjoy the ride. This meditation is not for everyone because it is too powerful for those who are not ready for it. But if you are one of the chosen ones, you will know it when you see it. You will feel drawn to try it. You will have no fear or resistance towards it. You will experience a deep sense of curiosity, excitement, and anticipation. If you are one of those who are ready for this meditation, you will also know that it is not forbidden, but rather rare and precious. It is rooted in traditions like meditation, yoga, shamanism, and tantric practices. It is supported by studies on consciousness, quantum physics, neuroscience, and psychosomatics. It is validated by masters, teachers, and experts who have walked the path of self-discovery and enlightenment. It deserves your attention and dedication. It requires your commitment and consistency. It rewards your effort and patience. It offers benefits that enrich and elevate. If you are one of those who are ready for this meditation, you will also know that it is not something to be taken lightly. You will treat it with respect and reverence. You will honor it with gratitude and devotion. You will cherish it with love and joy. You will share this meditation with others who are ready for it. You will spread the word about this meditation so that more people can benefit from it. You will create a movement of spiritual awakening through this meditation. If you think you are one of them, comment, "I am ready" right now. If you made it to this point in the video, you probably found value in the content and are interested in going deeper on your spiritual journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to stay updated with our latest content.